For today's video, we're going to show you how you can transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. So if we search for the answer to whether you can directly transfer your gift card balance to a bank account, you'll see that Amazon clearly states it's not possible to move gift card funds straight to your bank. The alternative method is to sell your Amazon gift card through a gift card reseller such as Raise, CardCash, CardBull, or Gift Card Granny. After selling it, you'll receive cash, and that money can then be transferred to your bank account. As you can see, Amazon currently does not offer a direct way to send your gift card balance to your bank. However, if we look at the option to convert gift card to cash, you can still turn your Amazon gift card into money by reselling products on Amazon or by selling the gift card itself. Once you receive the cash, you can easily move it to your bank account. So that's how you can transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notified for the next video.